A very warm welcome to our dignitaries, students, parents, our esteemed chief guest and to each one of you present here.
आप सबको 75वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। मैं आशा करती हूं कि आप सब अपने घरों में सुरक्षित होंगे।
On the occasion of celebrating the 75th Independence Day of our country, we must remember the pain and the sufferings faced by the people during that time. The freedom fighters of our country like Subhash Chandra Bose and Bhagat Singh and all the common people just had one goal, that was to achieve freedom from the Britishers.
It took us 100 long years of struggle to get freedom from the British rule. Today, amidst this pandemic, we strive to achieve deliverance from the coronavirus, from the lockdowns and from the quarantine zones.
We see that doctors, nurses and all the individuals providing us door-to-door services according to our will have risen as the freedom fighters.
Today, I would not just like to take this opportunity to bow down to our historic leaders who gave their lives for the freedom struggle, but also to the frontline workers who have been working tirelessly to keep our lives safe. Dhanyavad.
Now, let's move into the program with the inaugural dance.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam, Sufalam, Malayaj Sheetalam, Shasya Shamala, Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shubhra Jyotsna Pulakitayamini, Pullakusumita Drumadala Shobhini, Suhasini Sumadhura Bhashini, Sukhadam Varadam Mataram, Vande Mataram.
Tarikita tagadim, rima rima magari, mapani daba, rima pani sa, idadim didaba, tagadim tagajam taganam tagasani risani daba magari sani sa, mari ripa mari baba sani ni dim dim, mama papa ni dim dim, papa ni dim, nisagari tagadim, diko tagadari kitadim, tagadim tagadim tadim nadim tatom tadim, dirana dirana
Thank you Ambli ma'am and Surabhi for that unforgettable and दिल से किया गया performance.
अब मैं बुलाना चाहूंगी हमारी आज की चीफ गेस्ट मिस प्रीता डिसोजा और हमारे प्रिंसिपल रेवरेंड फादर बेनी मैथ्यू को फ्लैग होइस्टिंग के लिए।
Now, I request Miss Sandhya to lead us through this program with a patriotic song.
देश से है प्यार तो हर पल ये कहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या देश से है प्यार तो हर पल ये कहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए। सिलसिला ये बाद मेरे यूं ही चलना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए। मेरी नस नस तार कर दो और बना दो एक सितार, राग भारत मुझ पे छेड़ो झंझनाओ बार बार। देश से ये प्रेम आँखों से छलकना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए। शत्रु से कह दो जरा सीमा में रहना सीख ले, ये मेरा भारत अमर है सत्य कहना सीख ले। भक्ति की इस शक्ति को बढ़कर दिखाना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए।
धन्यवाद मैम, आपकी आवाज़ ने सच में हमारे दिलों को छू लिया।
I am pleased to welcome our chief guest and hear from her what she has to tell us about the 75th Independence Day.
I extend my warm greetings to everyone as we celebrate our 75th Independence Day. Let's go back in time when at the stroke of the midnight hour, India woke up to its much awaited freedom and the tricolour was raised to symbolize our independence from the British who ruled our country for 200 years. Freedom brings to mind the sacrifices of scores of brave hearts on whose tombs our freedom is built. We bow down to their supreme sacrifice. We salute our soldiers who continue to protect our borders. Our first Prime Minister, Pandit Nehru, said, "Freedom and power brings responsibility. This responsibility rests upon the assembly of sovereign body representing the sovereign people of India." It is important to reflect on who shaped the Indian dream and how India has stood as a beacon to the world with its glorious culture and tradition. The scientists and scholars from across the world have applauded the Indian ethos, knowledge and tradition. Einstein acknowledged with gratitude, and I quote, "We owe a lot to the Indians who taught us how to count, without which no worthwhile scientific discovery could have been made." Unquote. The German scholar Max Muller also paid one of the greatest tributes to the Indian reflective tradition and the Indian mind when he said, and I quote again, "If I were asked under what sky the human mind has most fully developed, some of his choicest gifts, have most deeply pondered on the greatest problems of life and found solution, I should point to India." Unquote. It does well to remember such salutations to India and its evolved culture. It adds to our pride and self-esteem to continually remember the idealism and values that govern the great nation like ours is perhaps also necessary as India discovers herself again. We need to also come together to develop a nation of harmony, peace and development. We need to build a legacy that is free from the prevalent negativity, free from oppression, prejudice, and corruption. We Indians need to be proud of our diversity and remain united. Our preamble to our Constitution says, "We, the people of India, not I." The journey from I to we is the journey of triumph towards progress and development. Let us all strive to be on this journey. Rabindranath Tagore had dreamed of this destiny in Gitanjali. For the young India, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments of narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, we Indians should collectively work towards unity and peace. Our beloved former President, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, had poignantly directed us to ponder on how to shape an elevated mind. And I quote him, "If a country is to be corruption-free and become a nation of beautiful mind, I strongly feel there are three societal members. They are the father, the mother, and the teacher." Unquote. He reminds us of the inheritance we can all leave our children with. It is our responsibility as proud citizens of this country to sincerely perform our duties and work together for the development of our country. Let us resolve to excel in our field of knowledge and cultivate a patriotic fervor. Keeping the sacrifices of our ancestors in mind, let's take oath to carve a better future for our motherland. Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am. Your words will remain with us forever. Now, I would like to call upon our principal to address the gathering.
Today, we celebrate our 75th year of independence. All those years were not easy for us. When the Britishers left, they left us hollow. Our Bharat Mata, our freedom fighters, leaders, and the people of our great nation were the ones to build this nation back to its former glory. So, not only the freedom struggle was an embroiling phase in our lives, but when we won back our freedom, we found our strength and our foundation. This day teaches us a lot of things, and among them are a sense of gratitude, perseverance, fortitude, patience, and courage. So on this auspicious day, I would like to ask you all what freedom means to you in the true sense of the term. Does it simply include doing what you want and having the utmost freedom to remain as a free creature? If that is what you think, let me tell you that you are living in a bubble of illusion. Because freedom comes with a lot of responsibility. Freedom without responsibility ultimately leads to chaos and then harbors only destruction. Therefore, it becomes extremely crucial to realize our roles and responsibilities as citizens of our country, and thereby making our motherland beautiful and live a life worth living. Let us join hands and pray in the words given by Rabindranath Tagore. Where the mind is without fear and the head held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments of narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action, into the heaven of freedom. My Father, let my country awake. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Father. Your words have lit the fire of patriotism within us, and I am assured it will remain with us.
Now, let's welcome the high school students to perform a Bollywood contemporary dance.
ऐ मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं, जो तेरे लिए 100 दर्द सहे। महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे। मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे। फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा, जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। मारे या कोई मारे ना, यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है। ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं, अरे जो भी हैं जैसे हैं, खुद पे हमें नाज है। जाने ना हमको ये ज़माना, चाहो तो हमको आज़माना। यारबाज हम, चालसाज हम, इश्कबाज दिल वाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले। छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर जीत जीत ले हार से इंडिया वाले। दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले।
थैंक यू एशियन डांसर्स, आपने इस प्रोग्राम में 4 चांद लगा दिए।
Now, as we have reached the end of this program, I would like to take this opportunity to thank the students and their parents for being with us through this program and making it a success. I would also like to thank our off-screen crew for helping us and making this program a success. Nevertheless, I would like to thank our dignitaries, our principal and our esteemed chief guest for taking out time from their busy schedule and making this program happen. Thank you everyone. This is Sanvi
And this is Furman
signing off.
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. A very happy Independence Day to all of you.
Pause.